Rolling.
Action.
I have a vision of an e-powered India. Hi, I am Tushar Chaudhary, founder and CEO of Motovolt.
I am Shushanta, CFO of Motovolt.
I am Shyam Kulkarni. I head the technology cell at Motovolt.
Hey, I am Siddharth, Head of Growth and Strategy at Motovolt.
I am unboxing a prosperous future for all.
I want our technology to be uploaded as the best in the world.
I am unboxing a growing future.
I am unboxing my vision for a clean and green future, an electric future. I'm Aryan, a marketing strategist at Motovolt.
Every product leaving our factory pushes the boundaries of excellence. I am Santosh Bhaviskar, Head Manufacturing Operation at Motovolt.
I'm unboxing a niche and diverse workforce. This is Himadri here, Head HR at Motovolt.
I am Shiladitya. I head sales and marketing at Motovolt. I go beyond Excel sheets and numbers to connect with the real India. I am unboxing a stronger India.
Hi, I am Partha Chaudhary. I take care of the future businesses for Motovolt. I am a great believer in India First technology.
Hi, I am Swapnil, AGM Production Motovolt. We are unboxing the future.
Hi, I am Anirban Chatterjee. I am leading the business transformation at Motovolt. Here we are mapping the future of electric mobility.
Hi, I am Pankaj Singh. I take care of national sales for Motovolt. I would be unboxing future today.
I'm engineering a better tomorrow for the world to applaud. Hi, this is Rohan. I'm an engineer at Motovolt.
I monitor the heartbeat of every Motovolt e-bike. Hi, I am Sangeeta Banduri, battery lab engineer at Motovolt.
I am unboxing a successful future with Motovolt. I am Proshenjit. I am Motovolt dealer in Kolkata.
I'm unboxing minds through inclusivity and growth opportunities. Hi, I am Shayanti, Senior Manager HR of Motovolt. I'm unboxing the future.
Hi, I am Ankit, Sales Manager at Motovolt. I'm unboxing a happy future.
मैं हूं अनुपम, ये मेरा नया M7 है. अब ये Motovolt खोलेगा मेरे लाइफ और बिजनेस का फ्यूचर.
Hi, this is Asif, Production Engineer at Motovolt. I am unboxing the future.
I am unboxing the future.
I am unboxing the future with some of the best minds.
I am unboxing the future, one ride at a time.
E for electric and E for every Indian. I am unboxing the future.